Welcome to my channel. How to set up TP-Link 4G Wi-Fi router. 1. Unbox the router, unpack the router and ensure all items are included: router, antennas, power adapter, Ethernet cable, and manual. 2. Insert the SIM card, locate the SIM card slot on the router. Insert your activated SIM card into the slot, ensuring it's in the correct orientation. 3. Attach the antennas, connect the external antennas to the router, if included. Ensure they are securely attached and positioned upright for better signal reception. 4. Power on the router, plug in the power adapter and switch on the router. Wait for the router's indicator lights to stabilize. 5. Connect to the router. Use a phone, tablet, or computer to connect to the router's default Wi-Fi network. The network name, SSID, and password are usually on a label on the router. 6. Open a web browser. Launch a web browser and enter the router's IP address, commonly 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1, to access the admin panel. 7. Log into the admin panel, enter the default username and password, usually admin, for both. These details are on the router's label or manual. 8. Configure the 4G connection. Follow the setup wizard to configure the 4G settings. Most SIM cards will auto-detect settings, but you may need to input the APN details provided by your carrier. 9. Test the connection. Connect a device to the Wi-Fi network and test internet access. Adjust the router placement for better 4G signal strength if needed. Thank you for watching.